Hello friends, I hope you are all doing good. Welcome back. So this is a small video which I am making for the announcement of the crash course for your upcoming examination. So the crash course for your upcoming examination, which is November 2022 or December 2022 examination, are now made available on the mobile application. So the crash course for the upcoming examination will be made available to you all on the mobile application. Sir, what is the mobile application name, sir? The mobile application name is Dilip Raj Purohit Classes. So I'll do one thing. I'll also give the link of this particular mobile application on the description box. So anyone who is interested in purchasing the crash course can definitely go to the link and they can watch the crash course. Now, this crash course, so there will be few questions which you will be having. Sir, to whom is this crash course made available, or who can go and purchase this particular crash course? So this crash course which is there, it is available for final students as well as intermediate students. It will be available for whom? It will be available for final students as well as intermediate inter students. Sir, which final students, sir? It will be made available to CA final student, CS final students and CMA final students. So whichever final course you are doing, whether it is CA, CS or CMA, this crash course will be made available on the subject called as indirect taxes, IDT or indirect taxes. For finals it includes GST as well as customs, and for intermediate it will be made available to inter students also, which is CA inter and CMA inter students. For intermediate it will be made available to CA intermediate as well as CMA intermediate students. Sir, what is the language which you are going to use in this particular crash course, sir? The language which I am going to use in this particular crash course is 100% English. So we'll be using because the examination, normally students all write the examination in English language only, so the videos also will be made available to you all in English language only. Yeah, so the crash course will be for final students and intermediate students, and it will be in English. Then next question which you normally may have is, sir, what is the price of this crash course? Sir, how much do I have to pay if I want to take this crash course? The crash course are very nominally priced. So anyone who wants to take this crash course has to pay. Say for final students it is rupees 750, and for intermediate students it is rupees 500. So for those who are in finals, whether irrespective of which course you are doing, whether it is CA, CS or CMA, you will have to pay 750 rupees. And if you are an intermediate students, you have to pay 500 rupees for this crash course. Now, sir, what am I going to get? If I purchase this crash course, what am I going to get? You are going to get the course videos, and also you are going to get the chart material. You are going to get the videos as well as the chart material. The videos will be uploaded on the mobile application, so anyone who is purchasing this can use that mobile application and to watch the videos. Sir, how many views will I get, sir? It is 3 views. You are going to get each person. So each videos, not per person, each video you will have 3 views. Sir, what do you mean by views, sir? Say for example, so the views over here will be based on the hours. Say for example, I am making a video which is of 2 hours. So here you will get 6 hours time in this video. How much hours time you will get? 6 hours time. So if a person is watching a particular video, say introduction class you are watching, so you can watch it 3 times. First time, then 2 more times you can watch it. Now sir, this 6 hours which is there, can I click any number of times on the video and watch it? Yes, you can click any number of times. Here the view does not mean that you click once the view is over. No. Here the view is based on the number of hours. So if you click 10 times also, and if you are still in that 6 hours period, then you can definitely watch that till 6 hours. And you are also going to get, with this, videos are there, with this you are also going to get chart material. This chart material will be available on e-format, or we can call it as ebook, which will be available for view purpose only. It will be available for what, sir? It will be available for view purpose only in that mobile application. So anyone who purchases the courses, he is going to get the videos as well as the chart material for view purpose. Now, sir, this chart material, can it be downloaded? Answer is no. You cannot make any offline download of this chart material. Sir, can it be printed? Answer is no. This cannot be printed or it cannot be downloaded. However, the videos which are there, these videos can be downloaded offline. In the sense, say for example, a person is a student has purchased a particular the crash course, and now he is in a he travels to a long distance and he wants to watch the videos while he is traveling, or he is located at such places where there is internet connectivity issues, etc. So what he can do is he can download all these videos offline. He can offline download these videos and watch it anytime, even without the internet connection. Please note, for downloading it definitely will require an internet connection. So once it is downloaded, you can watch it offline anytime. So whether you are traveling, or say you are going to your village, you need peace of mind, etc., or you are going to a library where there is no internet connection, etc., you can always watch these particular videos. So videos are available for offline download mode, just like your Netflix, Amazon Prime, or any other Hotstar, etc., wherein you want to watch a particular movie, you are at your office, you are downloading that particular movie, and you go to home, there is no internet connection, you still but that offline downloaded movie can be watched by you at your house, etc. So videos will be available in offline download mode with 3 views, that is 6 hours per video. If a average length of a video is 2 hours, you can watch it 3 times. Okay, so this is same for both final students as well as intermediate student. Yeah, so what we have discussed, so this course is specifically made applicable to November or December 2022 examination. It will be available where it will be available on the mobile application, which is the mobile application Dilip Raj Purohit classes. The description, in the description I will also share the link to download this particular mobile application. Now this crash course is for final students as well as for intermediate students. For final students it is priced at 750 rupees, and for intermediate students it is priced at 500 rupees. So both of you, whether it is a final student or an intermediate students, you will get your videos plus the chart material. Chart material will be available on the online mode only. Now on an average, sir, what will be the video, so what will be the total number of hours which will be watching, sir? See, normally my crash course, but the crash course videos which I make, normally they are not actually crash course, they are more than that, they are normally as your regular course. For CA intermediate students, the length will be of 50 hours. On an average, the length will be of 50 hours, meaning minimum 50 is for sure. Above that, maybe some extra problems, etc., which I am solving, maybe because of that the length may increase, but 50 hours is for sure. And for CMA intermediate student, it will be around of 70 hours, and for final students it will be almost around 80 to 90 hours. So it will always be around 80 to 90 hours. This crash course will be around 80 to 90 hours. Yeah, I think I have almost answered all of your questions, sir. If I have any question with regard to this crash course, or generally also I am studying the subject, if I have any questions, what can I do, sir? If you want to ask me any doubt, then you can always send me a message on WhatsApp me on 962002 2004. So if you have any query with regard to this crash course, you can send me a message on 962002 2004, or say, sir, I am studying the subject, I don't need any crash course, I am watching your Sanjeevani Booty, the super fast revision videos, and I am also seeing your general chart material revision which you are doing, uploading on YouTube, etc. I am watching those videos, and while watching those videos I have some doubts. So how do I clarify those doubts, sir? Those doubts can clarify, you can send me a message on this number 962002 2004, and you can clarify your doubts. Please note, this video is specifically made this is specifically applicable for amended for your upcoming examination. Meaning what, sir? Meaning whatever statutory update which has been given by the institute for your upcoming examination. So in the present case, this is the CA statutory update material which I am showing you. So this is specifically applicable for your November 2022 examination. So whatever amendments are made over here, whatever different amendments, etc., whatever changes they have given over here, that will be discussed in the classes only. So you don't have to watch this amendment video separately. However, if a person has purchased the course say 6 months before, then he will have to watch these amendment videos, which I will be uploading separately on the YouTube. So if you are purchasing this particular course, you don't have to refer this amendment. This amendment applicable for November, December, because our classes are amended. Sir, I am a person who is writing examination in May 2022 or June 2022, sir. Okay. Sir, I am purchasing this course, sir. Sir, how will I come to know about the changes? In such cases, you have to read this particular, you watch these videos. Apart from that, I am also going to upload amendment video. When, sir? Say these amendments videos will normally be made available, will be uploaded during the month of February or in the month of March. So presently this video are applicable for November. Now I am writing examination in May or June of next year, sir. In such cases, you take this video. If you have took this video, then you have to additionally watch one more thing. What is that one more thing which you will have to watch? The amendment video, which will be uploaded on the YouTube page. On this YouTube page only, Dilip Raj Purohit, on this YouTube page, which will be available for free. Anyone can watch it. Okay. Yeah, I think I have discussed about all those things. And yeah, sir, what is the material which you are going to use for this crash course, sir? What is the material? I will be using this chart material. I will be using my chart material, Dilip style. So whatever discussion which we are going to do, it will be completely from this chart material only. Sir, will you be solving problems also? Yes, we will be solving problems. The problems which I am going to solve will be from your previous year question papers. So whatever previous year question papers are there, topic wise, whatever different questions are asked, will be covering maybe I think from 2018. We'll do it from 2018. So 2018 to the recent examination 2022. Say May, June 2022, whatever different questions were asked in the examination, will be covering those things. Topic wise, will be covering those things. Yeah, so we will be solving questions and it will be from your previous year question paper only. Yeah, I think I have answered all your questions. I have taken the question myself and I feel this is the question which a student can ask, and I have answered all the questions. So apart from that also, if you have any question, you can definitely send me a message on this number. WhatsApp me on this number 962002 I'll be very happy to reply to you all. Now let me not complete this video. Let me also start the introduction class for this crash course. The first topic, the introduction to GST, so that you also understand how the crash course videos will be there. Anyways, but first chapter is not actually a topic where you should judge about the entire discussion, because it is just an introduction. The main discussion starts from supply. So what I'll do, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll make these topics. Which topic? Topic number 1, that is introduction, supply and charge. These 3 topics will be available on my mobile application for free. The crash course videos which I am recording, these 3 topics will be uploaded for free. So say for example, you are an intermediate student. Say for example, you are an intermediate student. Say CA intermediate students, and what will you have to do if you want to see the demo, etc.? You go to the mobile application. In that mobile application, you see CA intermediate crash course for November 2022 examination. So once you enter, once you see this particular course, in that course, in the videos column, you will be able to find, there will be different folders, topic wise folders will be made. First folder will be for introduction, second folder will be for supply, third folder will be for charge, meaning this topic wise the folders will be made. Accordingly, you go to that particular folder and watch that video. So for demo, you can go definitely refer to that particular videos. Okay, so I think this is sufficient. This discussion is sufficient in this particular video. Maybe I'll do one thing. I'll also attach the introduction in this video only. I'll continue the video and I'll also discuss the introduction topic also. The other topics, if you want to see it, if you want to watch it, you can definitely go to my mobile application. It will be available for free. Which topics are? First 3 topics will be available for free. Accordingly, you can decide whether you want this or not. Okay, so thanks a lot. I'll see you in my crash course classes. Till then, tada, bye bye, take care.